Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a ColourPop review. This is for the Give It To Me Straight and Give Me More palettes, eyeshadow, highlighter. Do you want to see what these are all about and how I created this look? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So today is my third review from the ColourPop haul that I did for you guys. And this was the last one that I still needed to do. This is the Give It To Me Straight eyeshadow palette with the Give Me More highlighting palette. So let's go ahead and see what these are all about. I'm gonna go ahead and open them, show you the colors, swatch the colors, and then I will play how I created this look right here. So again, this is the packaging. This is the Give It To Me Straight. There is the back with all of the different colors. We'll get this out. There is the front of the actual packaging, and the back has the colors on it as well. Inside, there is no mirror. It says ColourPop, which I don't use those mirrors anyways, so that's good. And then here are all of the colors. These colors are so beautiful. These are like my normal, I grab to every day, which are like the burgundies, the plums, the purple, the plumish, that kind of thing. So I used 7 colors out of 12 on this look right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you, so hold on. Okay, you guys, so there are all of the colors, starting from here all the way down, all in order. So that is the shimmer that I have on my, right underneath my brow, and I try to put in the corner of my eye. And yeah, so some of these are more like a goldish coppery tone, which would be perfect for fall. And then the others are just like a beautiful burgundy pinkish mauve color, which is good for all time, like that I have. And of course I only grab those colors. I didn't try to do like the bronzy colors. I'm not a bronzy color girl. I don't like gold, like yellow gold. So in the fall, I'll try those for sure. But right now I'm gonna be using the colors like I used right here, which I really, really do love. So now let's go over the highlighting palette. This is Give Me More Pressed Powder Highlighter. There's the back. And I don't have an actual palette that is a highlighter from ColourPop. I do have individual ones because I got that whole entire Disney Villains collection that I did a try on for every single thing in there for you guys. So that is on my channel as well if you haven't seen that one. But now I have an actual palette and it says, I like your face. I like your face. There's that. The colors are on the back. I got some eyeshadow on it already. No mirror, again, which is totally fine. And here are the shades of the highlighter. So let me go ahead and just put these on the top of my hand for you guys. Okay, so there is all 6 of the colors. Okay, so that is everything for the highlighting palette. I did put on a darker color thinking it would look more like a blush as well, like a little twofer. It was a little dark, so I did remove some of it and then put some of the lighter color over it, but you don't really see a whole lot of the highlight. Let me see if I can put, oh, you can see a little bit right there, I guess. There we go. There we go. Now you can see it. So again, ColourPop, I am loving. I don't know how they can make such good, blendable, buttery, creamy, wonderfully done shadows and shades and have such a low price point. So I really do love ColourPop, especially when they do have their sales. You can get things even cheaper, which is amazing. Again, I don't know how they do it, but I'm glad they do because I am loving ColourPop more and more. And the more sets that I'm trying, or the more palettes that I'm trying, the more that I'm actually liking ColourPop. So yeah. So there you have it again. There is this and the highlighter palette. That's how I created this. And I really, really do love this palette. Again, using just like the burgundies and the light like mauve colors are so pretty. So I'm so glad that I got it, and I'm so glad you guys wanted to see it, because now here you go. So if you do want to see how I created this look and how I put it on, then that will follow. I'm going to start with the lightest color in here just to go over my base. This is Matter of Fact. So now I'm going to go in with Downright and add in here. Downright in here. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of up front. I'm gonna see if that can kind of go up here like a little highlight. I would I would typically use this color on my lower lid because I like to use a lighter color on my lower lid. But today I'm gonna go ahead and use this Candid, which is like a mauve pink looking color. Let's see. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with TMI. That's the color name. TMI, and I'm going to add this in my crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Be Blunt. It is a shimmer. I'm gonna try to darken up a little bit here with that. Plus it looks super pretty. And this time I'm not trying to bring it up anymore, just trying to keep it directly right in my crease. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can. I'm gonna go back in with Downright a little bit to break up this little darker line. And now I'm gonna go in with Actually. Actually, I'm going to actually use Actually. It is a dark brown to go into my corner. And you move it all around. I'm trying to put up front. I'm trying to put the color up front, but it's not really working out too well. And I guess I'll add a little to the bottom. I'm just gonna go in with TMI. And then a little down right. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Man-Eater eyeliner because this has became my new favorite. It sharpens it every time. Look at that little point. And seriously, you guys, I don't know where the shavings go in here. It sharpens it all by itself. I never have any shavings come out. So when this is all done, I'm probably gonna open this and see, is there like a little shavings holder up in there that I don't know about, or where are they going? That's what I wanna know. But I'm definitely going to buy this again. And this Man-Eater mascara has become my new favorite. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I never, ever wore mascara before. One of my friends keeps telling me, you need to, and I'm like, fine. So I did one day, and I wore this all day. It came off perfectly. I didn't have my normal mascara problem that I can't stand. And I have now been literally wearing this one for almost 3 weeks straight. I think I only missed one day. I'm so proud of myself. I am beyond proud of myself. Yeah. And a lot of you guys are like, ooh, is that mascara that I'm seeing? And I'm like, it sure is. Like, you guys don't even know. I never wore mascara. Never. I never liked the way it felt. A lot of you guys are like, how can you not? Most people wear mascara and nothing else. Well, guess what? I wear everything else that I wear but mascara. Until now. I don't know if I'm going to continue wearing it every single day, but at least I have been trying. I have definitely been trying. I honestly didn't think it made that much of a difference, but you guys are telling me that you can see it. So obviously it must. So I did. I do. Okay, and the only thing I wear on my face is just my MAC foundation, Studio Fix powder, rather, which I love. And that's all I ever wear. I don't wear liquid foundation. So there's that. Now, let me get the highlighter. Dun, dun, dun. I like your face. And all right, let's see here. Let me get my little highlighter brush. I'm gonna go with maybe this darker tone here. There's not colors on the front anyway. Okay, so I'm not sure. I'm gonna say this is Total Package. It's more of like this like bronzier color. Maybe it'll give me like a little bit of almost like a blush effect maybe. I don't know what it's gonna do. My little hairs are like bugging today. You see it? Kind of makes it look like I have blush on now. That's why, it's kind of what I was going for. That's kind of why I wanted to do that color. Plus, to try out a darker colored highlighter, I normally tend to just go with the lightest colors that I see. So, well, it's there. It's there. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I already have this ColourPop, and I think this would look really good with this look. This one's called Flying Horses. Ew. Flying horses, yes, like horses. Sorry, but that's what I thought of as soon as I heard flying horses. It smells good. And this is Ultra Glossy Lip. Okay, you guys, so there is my completed, finished look. What do you guys think? I actually really like it. I actually do. I'm so glad I got this palette, you guys. What do you think? What do you think? Okay, you guys, so that is how I created this look. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video. This was the third ColourPop look from the ColourPop haul that I had did. You guys asked for them in order. I already did the Blue Moon, and then I did the Zodiac, and this was the last one, which is the Give It To Me Straight with the Give Me More highlighter palette. So thank you again so much for tuning in and watching this. I am so glad I got this palette. These colors are amazing. This is right up my alley. These are my go-to colors every day. So I'm so glad that I got this, and I'm so glad you guys wanted me to do this try on, and here you go. So thank you all so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button so you can see the future videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.